second video in this channel created by Redesto. Hi guys, today I have a car that has a problem with gear ratios that doesn't shift and stays in the third gear. The car starts aggressively in third gear, and what I advise you to do if you have similar symptoms is to fix the problem earlier, otherwise the engine will have a serious negative impact. After connecting the diagnostic device, I noticed that the TCM transmission control module is missing. The others control modules like PCM, BCM save in their memory a trouble code U0101, lost communication with TCM. So we can say that the problem comes either from the power supply of the TCM computer or TCM CAN communication bus wires are cut or damaged or faulty TCM. Starting by checking the fuse 20 ampere G18 for TCM. The fuse is okay. Turn on the ignition switch and check if the power supply reaches the fuse through the TCM relay. And therefore, the TCM relay and fuse are okay. So we have to check the power supply at the TCM computer level to make sure the positive 12 volt underground wires are okay. The TCM computer is located under the steering wheel. So we have to remove the driver's side lower dash panel. Turn on the ignition switch by checking the positive 12 volt underground with a test lamp. The 12 volt power supply is not okay. The ground is okay. The CAN bus signal comes from multiplexed CAN network is okay. So the problem is the missing 12-volt power supply. I will supply externally the TCM computer with 12 volt to make sure that the problem comes just from the power supply. After supplying the TCM computer externally, I did a rescanning and the TCM computer responded by saying that there is a malfunction at the TCC solenoid circuit, and this is normal because the TCC solenoid circuit shares the same harness with the TCM computer. So, apparently, the problem comes from a splice or connector or harness itself. So by checking the TCM harness line, and I found the relevant connector. And I found it misconnected because the connector latch is already broken. So I just used a plastic clamp to properly connect the connector, and here you go. After connecting and repairing the connector, the 12-volt power supply arrived at the TCM computer. Now is the time to do our scanning to confirm that the problem is resolved. So finally, the TCM computer communicates well on the multiplexed network, so the problem has been solved.